Hey, the meeting starts in 10 minutes. You better snap to it.
Oh no, I totally lost track of time. I haven't even finished the report yet.
Seriously, you've had all morning. What were you doing?
I was responding to emails and got caught up in a last-minute request.
Well, you need to prioritize. The boss is expecting that report today.
I know, I just keep getting distracted. I'll focus and finish it right now.
You better hurry. If you're late again, it won't look good.
Don't worry. I'll get it done in time, I promise.
You always say that, but then you're rushing at the last minute.
I know. I really need to work on my time management skills.
Yes, you do. Why don't you block off time so no one can interrupt you?
That's a good idea. I should start doing that from now on.
Trust me, it'll make a huge difference. You won't feel so overwhelmed.
Yeah, I've been feeling like I'm constantly playing catch-up lately.
Exactly. Setting clear boundaries with your time will help you stay on track.
I'll definitely give it a try. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Just make sure you finish that report before the meeting.
Will do. I'm on it now. No more distractions.
Good. I'll see you in the meeting room in a few minutes.
You got it. I'll be there with the report in hand.
All right, I'll hold you to that.
I hope the weather stays nice for the weekend.
Yeah, me too, but don't jinx it.
Oh, come on, it's been sunny all week. What could go wrong?
You know how unpredictable the weather can be around here.
True, but I checked the forecast, and it looks clear.
Forecasts can change last minute, you never know.
Alright, fine, but I'm still optimistic.
I just don't want to get my hopes up and then it rains.
Worst case, we can always move the picnic indoors.
That's not the same, I want to enjoy the sunshine.
I get it, but we should have a backup plan just in case.
You're right, I'll look into some indoor activities.
Smart idea. Better to be prepared for anything.
Yeah, but I'm still hoping for a sunny day.
Same here. I've been looking forward to this all week.
Me too, it'll be fun no matter what though.
Definitely, we've got good company, so it'll be great either way.
That's the spirit. Let's stay positive but realistic.
Agreed. Just no more talking about bad weather, okay?
Deal, we'll just think sunshine and good vibes.
Now you're talking. Let's make this weekend awesome.
I've been feeling all at sea lately. Nothing seems to make sense anymore.
I'm sorry to hear that, Emma. What exactly has been bothering you?
Honestly, it's everything. Work, personal life, and even things I used to enjoy. I just feel lost.
That sounds overwhelming. Have you thought about taking some time off to clear your head?
I have, but I feel like taking a break will just make me fall behind even more.
Sometimes stepping away for a bit is exactly what you need to gain some perspective.
I know, but it's hard when I don't even know where to start with fixing things.
Maybe you don't need to fix everything at once. Start with one small thing and build from there.
That's probably good advice, but I'm not sure what that one small thing should be.
How about focusing on something simple, like getting enough rest or doing something you enjoy?
I guess I haven't been sleeping well, and it's been ages since I did something just for fun.
See, maybe starting there will help you feel more grounded and less overwhelmed.
You're right. I've been so caught up in everything that I forgot to take care of myself.
It's easy to forget when you're feeling all at sea, but you can't pour from an empty cup.
That's a good way to put it. I think I'll try to take it one step at a time from now on.
Exactly. And remember, it's okay to feel lost sometimes. Just don't be afraid to reach out for help.
Thanks, Mike. I really needed to hear that.
Anytime, Emma. You've got this. I'm always here if you need someone to talk to.
I appreciate it more than you know. Maybe we could grab lunch sometime and just catch up?
I'd love that. Let's set something up soon. It'll be good to take your mind off things for a bit.
Sounds perfect. I'll message you later to figure out a day that works.
So, the ball's in your court now.
I know, and it's such a big decision. I just want to make sure we're both ready.
I completely understand. This isn't something to rush, and I want you to feel confident about it.
It's not that I don't want to, it's just marriage is a huge step, and I've always thought about it as something life-changing.
I feel the same way. That's why I've waited until now to bring it up. I wanted us to be in a good place before considering it.
We're in a good place, no doubt about that. I just need to wrap my head around how things will change.
Things will change, but in a good way, I hope. We've already built a solid foundation, and I think we can handle anything together.
You're right, and that's why I'm seriously thinking about it. I just don't want to make the wrong choice.
There's no rush. Take all the time you need. This is a decision we should both feel 100% about.
I appreciate that, Tom. I really do. I've been imagining what life would be like if we took this step.
And what do you see?
I see us happy, building a life together, supporting each other through everything. But then, I also think about the challenges.
Challenges will always be there, but we've faced a lot together already, and I believe we can handle whatever comes our way.
You always know how to reassure me. That's one of the reasons I'm seriously considering saying yes.
I'm glad to hear that. It means a lot that you're really thinking it through.
It's a huge decision, Tom, but I feel like we're ready for it, or at least close to being ready.
We don't have to have all the answers right now. What matters is that we're committed to figuring it out together.
You're right, and honestly, the more we talk about it, the more comfortable I feel.
That's exactly what I want. I want us to move forward only when we both feel completely ready.
I think I'm getting there. Just give me a little more time to process everything.
Take all the time you need. I'll be right here, no matter what you decide.
Please subscribe and see you soon.